tablet Derifylin, one of the best medicines for asthma. What a wonderful medicine. Usually no contraindications.
अरे वाह.
But avoid Derifylin in cardiac failure patients. Avoid it. Or else, it's a very nice medicine for asthma, dama. Tablet Derifylin. Thank you very much.